Hi guys, we're heading to Enchanted Kingdom to celebrate our first anniversary. And after so many years, we are so excited to see the Enchanted Kingdom for the second time and hear what it looks. Guys, please don't bring foods and beverage, even scissors and ball pens. And if you have loyalty card, you can get 50% off discount for 5 persons. And guys, as you can see, you won't be able to see the stamp because it's visible at night. So magically, it's glow in the dark. So we're here now, let us explore the amazing rides and the wonderful environment. The sky is quite shady and it looks like it's going to rain, and we're so lucky because it wasn't sunny and rainy the whole day. Enchanted Kingdom offers luggage storage where you can store your belongings during your visit, and they have lockers available for different rates depending on your locker size. So let's go and ride all you can. And this is the happiest moment I ever experienced in my relationship. Happy first anniversary, my son!